Hey everybody, welcome back to Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen. My name is Sonya Paz and I'm your Spice Master here. I am the owner and founder of Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Sweet Candied Pickle Jalapenos. And the purpose of my channel is to show you how to make a variety of different recipes with my Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Jalapenos. And as you know what season this is, it's grillin' season, which means we've got amazing things on the grill. And I always ask my husband to throw extra on there so we can have sandwiches for the next day for lunch or whatever. So I'm going to share with you today the best recipe for a beautiful, amazing sandwich spread, which has a lot of just common ingredients, super simple, super easy. But before we get started, I'm going to ask you to go down below here, click subscribe and hit the bell so that you can get notified of when I have videos coming up. So, all right, we're going to rock and roll here today because I've got a sandwich spread that is to die for. And you can use this on any sandwich. You got tuna, you got turkey, you got roast beef or whatever. I have lemon jalapeno chicken that we grilled up, and it is awesome. I will be making that recipe soon. Super easy, marinade using my jalapenos. But for today, I'm gonna just show you the fine ingredients that we have here. I am going to show you a couple variations on this recipe, but let me tell you what we have going on here. We have a cup of mayonnaise. We have about a quarter cup of Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Jalapenos that are chopped. I have a little bit of red onion finely chopped, about 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, about a quarter teaspoon of Worcestershire, I've had this problem before saying this word, Worcestershire sauce, whatever, you know what I'm talking about. And avocado, which is optional, but I'm going to tell you, if you want this to be super ultra creamy at the end, you can pop some of that in. It's going to make it great. So I've already got my tomatoes, I've got my avocados, and I've got my romaine lettuce all ready to go. I'm just going to take my bowl and we're just going to start adding in our ingredients. And like I mentioned, I'm going to put this avocado, which is fresh avocado that I just smashed up with a fork. But you will see that this is going to be the ultimate, easiest sandwich spread. And who says you have to limit your spreads to just mayonnaise and mustard? I know that's traditional, but we're going to go outside of that today. So I'm going to go ahead and just add in my mayonnaise. And I always use Best Foods mayonnaise. That is my favorite. And if you've seen my recipes before, you know how much I love mayonnaise. I'm going to add in my Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Jalapenos. Got a quarter cup of that. I'm going to add in my chopped fine red onions. And then I'm going to add in my Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Now, I'm going to point this out. This is smoked paprika. You can use regular paprika. And if you see here, this is an amazing, beautiful red color. Deep, deep red color that we're going to add in here. And that's what's gonna make the color of our spread a little bit more on the, more pinkish, kind of a creamier pink color. So I'm just mixing all this together. And you can double this recipe if you have more sandwiches. And then you think that that's kind of it, right? You've got it going on just like this. Well, I'm gonna tell you, you can just have it like that and it's gonna be amazing. Or go ahead and add in your avocado, and that's going to give it a super elevated flavor. And I'm going to go ahead and just add that in here. So, and it's going to make it a little bit, the color's going to alter up a little bit, but it's still going to be beautiful. You can still see that it's got green, it's herby. I'm going to go ahead and add in my salt and my pepper, just a little bit to taste, and mix this up. And it is ready to rock and roll. I mean, when I say easy peasy, we're not joking. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. Cheating, I didn't grab a spoon. I'm gonna take my finger. Amazing, amazing. And on the avocado adds a creaminess that you're not gonna get just from the mayonnaise alone. So we're gonna put together this sandwich because the hubby is hungry and I don't want to deprive him. So what I've got, you can use any kind of rolls, any kind of bread, seeded rolls, Kaiser rolls, French rolls, sourdough rolls, whatever floats your boat. And how I do this is I just take this spread and I put it generously right on the top and on the bottom, because you want your chicken to stick. So here we go. And the jalapenos is what's really also giving this just a boost of flavor that is awesome. So I'm going to add on my chicken here. I'm going to go ahead and add my lettuce. Put my lettuce right here on top. I'm going to add 3 or 4 tomatoes. And if you want to add additional avocados, then go for it. This is one of those things that we like here in California. Avocados are it's a staple on every plate and every dish. So I'm going to do this, and there you go. So simple, so easy, and so flavorful. I'm going to go ahead and give this a bite. I'm going to sneak a bite before he comes downstairs. So yummy. Love it. It's one of my favorite things, and it just takes your sandwich to the next level. You can add this if you're making tuna salad, if you've got roast beef, you've got cheese, you've got all different kinds of sandwiches that you're making, salami or provolone or with anything. You can always add this spread, and it is just going to make your sandwiches so much better, and it's going to be so much more flavorful. And that is a quick and easy recipe from me to you, from my kitchen to your kitchen today. And if you need to find out how you can buy Sonya Sweet and Spicy, simply go to sonyasweetspicy.com. We have several retailers and a couple of distributors from California all the way to Wisconsin. We have distributors, and of course, we have 30 retailers that carry our product, so I'm sure that you can find it close to you. We're also on Facebook at facebook.com Sonya Sweet Spicy and Instagram.com Sonya Sweet Spicy. And I do apologize for being offline for a couple weeks. We had a lot of things going on here at the house and wasn't able to get the kitchen in order enough to show you a new recipes. And of course, you know, in my kitchen, we're always chopping and slicing, dicing and cooking, roasting and toasting. That's it today, everyone. Happy grilling, happy hamburger making, happy whatever you got going on in your kitchen, but always add a little sweet and spice to make your life better. That's it. Take care, everybody. Have a great week. Talk to you soon. Bye. Happy food dance. Happy food dance.